Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to invite friends in the Bitmoji application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then click on the invite friends button. And as you can see, there are 3 options that you can choose from. So you can invite your friends via email, via iMessage, and you can copy the invite link and just paste it to, for example, your Messenger or Instagram DM or wherever you want to. But just as an example, click on the invite via iMessage button. And as you can see here, you can just type who you want to send it to, and there's an automatic message that will be sent to your friend, as well as the link where he or she can download the application. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.